Alright, here's the first lesson when you're new. We're going to start working on upright hovering orientations. Alright, so I'm going to start hovering tail in. Now you're going to want to practice tail in until you get it down 100%. Once you're completely comfortable with tail in hovering, now we're going to start working on nose left and nose right. So first we're going to go nose right. And the easy way to transition into this is you're going to spin your tail just a little bit, point your nose a little right. It's kind of like tail in, but not quite. Once you get comfortable, spin it a little more. Now we're almost nose right hovering right now, but not quite. After you get the hang of that, it's time for the real thing. Alright, so I got my nose right hovering down. Now it's time to start working on nose left. So I'm going to do the same thing. Spin my nose to the left a little. Then when I'm comfortable, I can always spin it a little more, then get fully into nose left. Now, we've got nose left, nose right, and tail in. 100%, no problem, don't even have to think about it, it's easy to do. Now here comes the hard part. We're going to start working on nose in. Once we have all four of these orientations down for hovering, we're ready to learn to fly. Why is this so important to learn? Well, once I start flying around, alright, I'm going away, I'm flying to the side, flying to the other side, flying away, flying towards me. And now, since I've learned all those hovering orientations, I understand when I move the sticks which way the helicopter is going to go, no matter which direction it's facing upright. So it's really important to get all four of those hovering orientations down before you start flying circuits. See, I always know, no matter which direction I am, how to move the controls to make the heli do what I want. If you don't learn all your orientations, it's going to take you a lot longer to get the hang of this. Alright, so there's lesson 1.